Gonna do an unboxing on a Ls2, Ls3 GM throttle body, 90mm. I already opened the box to make it easier. Ordered off of Summit. Paid $146.97. Part number is 126-05109. It's General Motors. I'm gonna go ahead and be putting this on my 2008 Silverado. It's a 5.3. It's a full bolt-on cam, truck, stall, rear end, posi. I'm running 100 shot nitrous. So I think it's a bigger upgrade to the stock, 90mm. This is how it comes out of the box. Looks decent, Gold blade. I'm gonna go ahead and install it right now. I'll post some videos here shortly on the end results. Hopefully you don't have no, hopefully the throttle, it'll settle out. If not, I'll have to go get it retuned. Just go ahead and show the video here in a minute.